Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Mexican street corn chowder. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of corn, either fresh or frozen, 1 small diced onion, and 1/4 cup of butter. For the liquid, have 2 cups of chicken broth and 1 cup of milk on hand. Don't forget the essential spices like chili powder and cumin, plus some fresh lime juice to brighten everything up. This simple list ensures a delicious and easy chowder. Now let's start cooking. In a large pot, melt 1/4 cup of butter over medium heat. Add your diced onion and sauté it until it becomes tender and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the 4 cups of corn, 2 cups of chicken broth, and 1 cup of milk. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. To achieve that wonderful creamy texture, carefully remove about 1/3 of the chowder and blend it until smooth. You can use an immersion blender directly in the pot if you prefer. Return the blended portion to the pot and stir well. Now it's time for the signature street corn flavors. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and the juice of 1 fresh lime. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Let your chowder simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly and for all the flavors to fully develop. Once it reaches your desired consistency, it's ready to serve. Ladle the warm chowder into bowls. For the perfect finish, garnish generously with crumbled cottage cheese, a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, and a dash of extra chili powder. Enjoy this easy and delicious homemade Mexican street corn chowder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.